Did you know your arteries could be slowly clogging without you even realizing it? Arteries are the blood vessels responsible for carrying oxygen-rich blood throughout your entire body, from your brain all the way down to your toes. When they're healthy, your heart works smoothly. But when they become blocked, your risk of heart attacks and strokes rises dramatically. The scary part: many people don't even know they have blocked arteries until serious symptoms appear like chest pain, leg pain, or worse, a stroke or heart attack. But here's the good news. Your daily diet can play a powerful role in protecting your arteries. Today, we're sharing 8 foods and drinks that may help keep your arteries healthy naturally and support your heart for the long run. 1. Fatty fish. Let's start with fatty fish. Fish like salmon, tuna, trout, mackerel, and herring are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help improve cholesterol levels and support better blood flow. Research shows that people who regularly eat fatty fish tend to have better cardiovascular health. Adding fish to your meals a few times a week can be a great step toward protecting your arteries. 2. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruit aren't just refreshing, they're heart-friendly too. They're rich in soluble fiber, which may help reduce blood pressure and prevent narrowing of the arteries. Studies have shown that citrus fruits can support healthier circulation and protect against plaque buildup. So starting your day with citrus could be more beneficial than you think. 3. Walnuts. If you enjoy snacking on nuts, walnuts deserve special attention. They're rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and plant compounds that support artery health. Some research even suggests walnuts may protect blood vessels from damage caused by unhealthy meals. A small handful a day can make a meaningful difference. 4. Flax seeds. Flax seeds may be tiny, but they're incredibly powerful. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Fiber heart-supporting plant compound studies suggest flax seeds may help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and improve overall heart health. You can easily add them to smoothies, yogurt, cereal, or baked goods. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric has been used for centuries, and modern research supports its benefits. Its active compound, curcumin, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These may help protect blood vessels and support healthy circulation. It may also help manage metabolic issues that contribute to heart disease. 6. Green tea. Green tea is one of the most studied heart-friendly beverages. It's packed with antioxidants that support blood vessel health. Research has shown that people who drink green tea regularly may have a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Even a few cups a day could support long-term cardiovascular health. 7. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is more than just a flavorful spice. It contains powerful compounds that reduce inflammation, improve blood sugar control, support healthy cholesterol levels. Some studies suggest cinnamon may help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, both of which are linked to artery blockage. 8. Pomegranates. And finally, pomegranates. This delicious fruit is rich in antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress. It may also support nitric oxide production, which helps blood vessels relax and improve blood flow together. These effects may help protect against cardiovascular disease. Keeping your arteries healthy doesn't always require drastic changes. Sometimes it starts with small daily choices like adding these heart-friendly foods to your diet. Your heart will thank you in the long run. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple health tips. Thanks for watching.